All right, we're going to solve systems of equations by substitution. We're on page 100 in our notebook. Looking at our notes, the first thing we have is we have a system of equations, what we've been doing. Negative 2x plus y equals 3. Let's get rid of that x. It shouldn't be there. It's a typo. So just cross it out. It shouldn't be there. If you have whiteout, use that. It just shouldn't be there. It says solve. We're going to write make one equation equal to a variable. It can be x or y. So this is where it becomes one of those situations where everyone's going to do it differently. For the sake of the example, we're going to solve the second one for x, because all we have to do is subtract 2y from both sides. So now our second equation says x equals negative, let's erase that. X equals negative 2y plus 11. We're going to take that negative 2y plus 11 and we are going, negative 2y plus 11, we're going to substitute it in to this x. Substitute and solve. So when we rewrite it, we're going to write the negative 2, and instead of the x, we're going to write negative 2y plus 11. And then we're going to go back and put plus y equals 3. We simply substitute in what we found x to be equal to into the equation. And then we solve. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4y minus 22 plus y equals 3. 5y equals 25. Y equals 25. Or no, y equals 5. The answer to a system of equation is always a set of points. We just found the y point. In order to find the x point, we're going to go back and substitute, put the value into an equation, doesn't matter which one, and solve for the other variable. So we have y equals 5. I'm going to continue these notes over here. We're going to pick one. We can just pick the first one. Negative 2x plus our y is 5 equals 3. Subtract 5 from both sides. Negative 2x equals negative 2. X equals 1. So our answer is 1, 5.